Disclaimer: this video is made for educational purposes only. You are fully responsible for your own actions. Hello everyone. Today I'm introducing this Wifi Deauther. It's a DIY open-source Wi-Fi hacking tool that fits in your pocket and costs under $5.
Let's review project. Before continuous, like and share this video and make you sure hit that subscribe button. What's the specs? This firmware allows you to easily perform a variety of actions to test 802.11 networks using an ESP8266. It's also a great project for learning about Wi-Fi, microcontrollers, Arduino, hacking, and electronics/programming in general. The Deauthentication Attack is the main feature, which can be used to disconnect devices from their Wi-Fi network. Although this denial of service attack is nothing new, a lot of devices are still vulnerable to it. Luckily, this is slowly changing, with more Wi-Fi 6-enabled devices being used. But a lot of outdated Wi-Fi devices remain in place, for example in cheap IoT hardware. With an ESP8266 Deauther, you can easily test this attack on your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network/devices and see whether it's successful or not. And if it is, you know you should upgrade your network.
Let's see what's inside.
For the microcontroller, I used a Wemos D1 mini clone. However, you can use almost any ESP8266 development board variant. This project supports many different boards, as you can see here. You don't need a special board for this application. I also used an SSD1306 I2C OLED display. The SSD1106 is also supported. 4 tactile buttons, and finally, a mini breadboard.
Let's continue with the wiring. First, the OLED display. VCC goes to the 5-volt pin, GND to GND, SCL to D1, and SDA to D2. Next, the buttons. Connect one leg of the up button to D7 and the other to GND. For the down button, connect one leg to D5 and the other to GND. Finally, for the A select button, one leg goes to D6 and the other to GND. We don't need pull-up or pull-down resistors because the software handles that internally.
Now, let's move on to the code. Go to the link in the description and download the repository. Extract the files and open the folder. Before we begin, you need to install the ESP8266 board definitions in the Arduino IDE. To do this, copy the link provided. Go back to Arduino, open Preferences, and click on the Additional Boards Manager URLs field. Paste the link there, click OK, and close.
Next, go to the Boards Manager on the left side. Type ESP8266 in the search bar, find it, and click Install. This takes some time, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, open the A-config file. You need to comment out the default ESP8266 line and uncomment the line for the Wemos D1 Mini. Scroll down. Find this line. Add these lines to your code. After that, go to Tools, select your board, and then select your COM port. Set the CPU frequency correctly, but don't change the other settings. Finally, click the Upload button. As you can see, our mini hacking tool is online and working. Remember, this software is open source and for educational purposes only.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you in next episode.
I can't wait to kick it with you. I just wanna spend the whole night. I can't wait to kick it with you. I just wanna spend the whole night with you.